today I'm gonna be doing a unboxing from Gainzbox. This is my first box from them. I signed up a little while back for their newsletter, but I've never really got a box from them. And then for this month they had a special going on where you get 2 boxes for the price of 1. So let's check it out and see what we got in these boxes. Okay, so in the first box we have a t-shirt. I don't know which from. It says Ideal. I don't know the brand. Red, one of my favorite colors. Then there is a sample of whey protein and some aminos. Then we have some chicken strips. I guess it's like beef jerky, some type of stuff like that. And oh, talking about beef jerky, here we go. We have some beef jerky and a protein bar from the brand is Food Spring. And that's what's in my first box. Let's check and see what's in the second box. And of course I can't open it again. Ooh la la! We have a t-shirt, I think. Let me see. I said it's a t-shirt, but I'm not sure. Boom! It's a tank top. A tank top. A shaker bottle. I need one more shaker bottle in my life. And some energy. I'm sorry. It's NoCo BCAA. Then we have some deodorant, some green apple pre-workout, and that's what's in my second box. So I like what's in these boxes so far. Again, these are from Gainzbox. I'll let you know what I think about the products that's in it. That's in them. I'll see you next time. Oh, what's happened? This little one was playing with the box and it turned over.